On June 12, 1994, Nicole Brown Simpson and Ron Goldman were murdered outside her Brentwood condominium. Within days, O.J. Simpson was the primary suspect. What followed was not just a criminal trial. The prosecution's case rested on forensic DNA evidence. The blood found at the crime scene matched Simpson's DNA, blood found in his Bronco. Blood on a glove at his estate. In 1995, DNA evidence was new to most jurors. The defense team understood something the prosecution underestimated: trials are not decided by evidence. They are decided by narrative. The defense did not need to prove Simpson innocent. They needed to establish reasonable doubt about the investigation. The two are completely different tasks. Defense attorneys Barry Scheck and Peter Neufeld, founders of the Innocence Project, systematically dismantled the evidence chain. They documented sloppy collection procedures. They exposed laboratory contamination. They showed chain of custody failures. Detective Mark Furman testified he had never used a racial slur. Defense attorneys then played recordings of Furman using the slur repeatedly. His credibility collapsed in real time before the jury. The glove demonstration was the moment the case turned. Prosecutor Christopher Darden asked Simpson to try on the gloves found at the crime scene. They appeared not to fit. The gloves had shrunk from blood exposure and had been handled by multiple people. The jury deliberated for less than 4 hours before returning a not guilty verdict. Legal analysts noted the brevity suggested the jury had decided the case primarily on the credibility of the investigation, not the physical evidence. The not guilty verdict was legally sound under the standard of proof beyond reasonable doubt. The defense had introduced genuine doubt about the integrity of the investigation. That is exactly what the reasonable doubt standard is designed to protect against. The system worked as designed.